Well, good Saturday morning, everyone. Robbie Johnson here in Carolina Beach with your Saturday video surf report for the beaches of southern North Carolina. What you're looking at there, this equipment, these caterpillars, part of the beach renourishment group that is pumping sand here on the beach. They're in the process of doing that even today, despite, let's look at this wave real quick. Despite windy conditions of about 20 miles per hour, temperatures of 59 degrees, cloudy and overcast. With that kind of wind, and it's been blowing like this for a few days now, you would think we have larger surf, but really not. There's probably not quite enough east in this wind. I'm gonna zoom in on this wave. This wave's actually got a little size to it. That was about shoulder high in the peak. There's another one right behind it. Maybe not quite that big, but definitely a little swell. Now these east-facing beaches like Carolina Beach going to have a lot of current really sweeping down the beach, so you need to find some protection like Masonboro. The cove could be rideable, second cove, but even going to be a lot of drift down there. So that's it from Carolina Beach. If you do come down, check out what these guys are doing, working hard around the clock, pumping sand to build our beach up. And as always, if you do, pick up some trash and leave these beaches cleaner than you found them. Have a great Saturday, everyone.